Hi guys, so my mom is gonna show you how to make clothes.
I ordered this machine like 2 years ago, but I've been scared to use it because I thought it was gonna be hard to use. So yesterday I went and got a little handheld one, a real little small kit to do them in. But then I said, nah, I'm gonna learn this. I had this too long, and I did it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. So then I can do a lace up back. And it comes with different sizes. I just gotta find out where I'm gonna put these so they won't waste. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to use this eyelet machine. It is definitely better than the little eyelet kits you get from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. I'm trying to make sure this angle is good. So you can see. Okay, I think that's good. So I already showed you guys what was in the box. And then it came with this, the manual. I know some people said that theirs didn't come with this, so they don't know how to use it. They never used it before. But I'm going to show you how, so yeah. First, you want to get what size you're going to do. I'm going to do these. And I'm going to leave these in here. Okay. So when you get your machine, it comes with the handle already off. You're just going to screw the handle on. And that's it. And then this comes off. You're just going to put it in. It came with 3 different ones. This one and the 2 that's at the bottom. Each side have their own piece right here. So you would pick whichever one that goes for the size that you're doing. Like these are really big, so that bigger one goes for that. Okay, so after you got that on, then that's it. It's really nothing to set up. So then what you're gonna do is make a hole wherever you want your hole. I use my wood burner, or you could just snip a little hole. Don't do it big because it can stretch. So I'm just gonna do a little hole. Boom. And then I'm gonna get both pieces of what I need. You need the flat piece and the piece that's not flat. The washer piece. I don't know what they call. But one sits up or whatever. It's not flat. And then the other one is very flat. So all you're gonna do is put this onto here. Put your fabric right side down and put it in the hole. Then you're gonna put your flat piece. I don't think it matters which side the flat piece go on. I just be putting it on. I don't look and see if it's a certain side. And then you're just gonna hit your handle and pull it down. If it don't stick right or whatever, that means you ain't pull your handle down good enough. And then boom, that's how it should look. I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna have it up like that when you put it on here. Mark your hole on your fabric, the back of your dress or if you're doing like a skirt, just mark your holes. They also have a little piece right here that you can order on Amazon to do your holes for you. I'm going to order it, but so far I just been doing my own holes. Put that in top of your hole. Make sure you do a small hole, and because you can stretch it out to fit. If you make the hole too big, then this piece may not work. It might be falling through the hole. And then this one just goes on any side. You can put it any side. I don't think the side matters. And then you just hit it. Now if you hit it light, it's not gonna work. You see, you have to apply pressure. Really hold it down till you hear like a little snap or smash. Like, don't do it lightly. Just make sure you push the handle all the way down. And that's how you do that. Very easy. And I'm glad that I finally used it. Watch the end of this video and you will see what I made using my eyelet kit. And let me know if y'all have any video requests. And make sure y'all like and subscribe. And if you don't know, I do have a video on how to do this tool bottom, so check that out as well. If you don't know, I do have a video on how to do this bottom. And look at my lace up.